Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how we have generated more than 80 phone calls in this month. Actually, in these 26 days, most probably we have generated 83 phone calls. Okay, so we'll show you how we implemented everything in our Facebook ads campaign, and we have used Facebook ads for generating quality phone calls. Okay, so this is their website actually. So they are based in Romania and they used to sell. Let me translate it first because this is their Romanian language, so I don't know Romanian language well. That's why I am sometimes using Google Translate for translating the languages. Okay, so they used to sell decorative exterior profiles for the facade of your house. Okay, so they're extremely resistant, easy to mount, which you can paint in any color. So yeah, if you want to beautify your facade, then you can consider taking their services. And if you are in Romania, I don't know whether they provide the services outside of Romania or not, but most probably they're serving inside Romania. Okay, so if you are in Romania, then you can consider their services. So this is their landing page. I'm running Google Ads for them as well. Okay, but I will share how I implemented Facebook ads for the phone calls campaign. Okay, so without any further delay, let's dive in the campaign section. Okay, so you can see over here, I have sorted the date range for this month, April 1, 2020 to April 26. Today is April 26. Then you can see we are running couple of campaigns. One of them are phone call campaigns. Okay, so you can see over here, we have generated 83 phone calls. Okay, then total reach is more than 23K impression, 126K. Cost per result, 12.38 lei. This is most probably a Romanian currency, and the amount has been spent is 128 lei. Okay, and so if I uh, edit the campaign, then I can show you what I did over here. So the campaign name is phone call campaign. So you can customize it as per your requirement. And the campaign objective is leads over here. Then let's go to the ad set level. Okay. Then you can see over here, I have selected calls from the conversion location. Okay, as I want to get quality phone call. Okay, and as the performance goal, I have selected maximize number of calls, and this is their Facebook page. The daily budget is 50 lei. Okay, then start date April 1. There is no end date. Okay, and if I try to show you the audiences, so for phone calls campaign, what I have seen over the years, remarketing audience performed well for the phone call campaign. So if you want to run a phone call campaign, or if you want to generate more phone calls using Facebook ads, then I would suggest you to use the remarketing audience. So you can see over here, I have already created all the remarketing audiences and I'm using it in this campaign. So you can see as the custom audience, we are targeting add to cart users last 90 days, all visitors last 180 days, page viewers last 180 days, view content users last 90 days, view category users last 90 days, engagement video 3 seconds video viewers, anyone who engaged with any post or ad, everyone who engaged with your page last 1 year, people who clicked on call to action. Okay, and last were retargeting Instagram users last 1 year. So I have created them using Facebook audience section. So if you don't know how to access or how to create remarketing audiences, then I have a whole tutorial on it, or you can go to my Facebook ads playlist, and there you can see the video of how to create custom audiences using Facebook ads. Okay, so yeah, then you can see, as this is a remarketing campaign, I'm not using any locations, age, gender, detail targeting, languages. Okay, so yeah, placement I'm using Facebook and Instagram. If you want, you can use audience network and messenger, but over the period of time, I have seen Facebook and Instagram are performing well. Okay, that's why I have selected these two. Okay, perfect. So let's go to the ads section. So this is their Facebook page, and I am using a single video ads. Okay, so this is their ad copies, and this is the video they are using. Okay, this is their phone number. So yeah, this is how I have generated more than 83 phone calls in this month using Facebook ads. Okay, so yeah, you can if you are running any service-based business, then if you are wanting to get more phone calls, then you can consider our services, because this is the demonstration that how we generated phone calls. Uh, for 1 month, 83 phone calls is not bad, you know. So yeah, if you want to advertise on Facebook and want to get quality phone calls using Facebook ads, then you can consider our services. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.